So you have decided to become a data scientist, and now you are confused whether you should be going for a paid course or you should be relying on the free resource materials from web articles or YouTube tutorials. Well, most of us already know that preparation can happen both the ways, but the question here is that how do you decide which one is the best option for you? In this video, I will try to give you some perspective so that you can have some clarity in order to decide that for your individual case, whether you should be going for a paid course or you should rely on free resource materials. And before we start, I have a small request that please subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Also drop a like below. It will help my video a lot to have a better reach in order to get the channel grow. So without any further delay, now let's get started. So let me start by first telling you how did I go around my preparation 3 years back. So when I started, I straight away started looking for paid courses where I can get a coach, tutor or mentor who will help me learn all the data science concepts and will also provide me one-on-one guidance or mentorship in order to do projects. I wanted a support till the time I land a job. So I started looking for paid courses online. And then I came across few really good courses. The curriculum was covering almost everything that I wanted at that time. But I was blown away by looking at the course fee. Any random course at that time was charging easily between 75,000 to 2.5 lakh. However, nowadays the situation is different. You easily get affordable courses as well, easily between the range of 15 to 25,000, somewhere like that. And I'm talking about the courses where you will get 101 mentorship or guidance. Otherwise, you can get data science courses on Udemy for 300 to 400 rupees as well. At that time, I was not even capable of affording 50,000 rupees in order to pay for a course. So I started doubting that is it even possible to complete the data science education or the entire preparation without any paid course. Then an idea came into my mind that I will take a loan. I will take an education loan in order to finance my education towards data science. And once I'll get the job, then I will pay back the loan. I had already made my mind almost, and then again I had few questions. Questions that you also should ask to yourself. So I started thinking that what if after completing the entire data science curriculum, what if I feel like this data science domain is not suitable for me or I would not like to work in this area? In short, what if I am late to realize that data science is not a career option for me? In that case, the loan taken from the bank will become a bigger problem than my entire career. And then I decided that whatever prerequisites are there for data science field like programming, statistics and basic mathematics, I plan to learn all these things from free resources like YouTube or web articles. And the idea was that after covering all these prerequisites, I will have some clarity in my mind that if data science is going to be a correct career option for me or not. And after covering all the prerequisites, if I feel like I am enjoying studying the concepts of data science, in that case, I will go for a paid course. Otherwise, I will not. And therefore, I did the same. I spent around 2 to 3 months in order to learn all the basic things that are the prerequisites for data science. And after a certain time, I started feeling like it is going to be a suitable career option for me because I was liking the concept. And by this time, I decided one more thing, that since it was quite easy and interesting for me to learn all these prerequisites from the free resources, what if I am able to complete the entire data science curriculum based on the free resources? So now I decided that I will give it a try to complete my preparation from YouTube and free internet resources, and let's see if I'm able to do that or not. Let's see if that is suitable enough to make me job ready. And after trying 6 to 8 months, if I'll feel like I am reaching nowhere, then I can easily opt for a paid course. So this was my plan. I would start with the free resources first, and if I feel stuck during the progress, then I will straight away opt for the paid course. And after spending one entire year, I was easily able to land a job. And I have covered this entire experience in this video. You can check it out on my channel. But the key point here is that I did not spend any big amount in order to do the preparation for data science. Yes, I remember taking 2 or 3 Udemy courses that did not Cost me more than 1,000 rupees if I remember. But that expense is almost negligible. But this was a planning for me which was suitable only to myself. And now I am going to talk around few points in order to provide you some clarity that how you will be able to decide whether you should go for a free course or a paid course. So first thing first, this will be my suggestion for everyone who is at the point of just getting started with the data science preparation. Try to learn the prerequisite concepts like Python, SQL, statistics, linear algebra, and calculus from the free resources only. And there are two reasons for this. First is that after learning all these prerequisites or the basic core skills, you will have some clarity whether you are enjoying the analytics concept or not. And would you be interested to make a career in that? So you will get the clarity whether analytics domain is a suitable career option for you or not. Secondly, you will also get to understand that in order to learn all these prerequisites, if your learning curve was smooth even with the free resources, in that case you can continue your data science preparation with the free resources only. There is no need of paying a big amount into a paid course. And once you have your prerequisites on place with the help of the free resources, now I am going to provide you some strategy that how do you decide whether you should go for a paid course or not. So after covering your prerequisites, you are going to have only one of these three situations. Either your learning was easy and you enjoyed it, or it was difficult and you still enjoyed it, or maybe it was difficult and you also did not enjoy it. And now I will tell you that going by these three situations, how do you decide whether you should go for a premium course or not. So let's talk about the first case where learning the prerequisites from the free resources was easy for you. You did not struggle too much. And of course, since you did not struggle a lot, you have enjoyed it. You have enjoyed the learning curve. You have enjoyed the idea of basic skills like Python, SQL, or statistics. In this particular case, I would suggest that you try to continue your data science preparation from the free resources only. Secondly, if you get stuck, if you feel stuck at some point of time, next approach should be going for a Udemy course. On Udemy platform, you will get a lot of good resources, lot of good courses based on data science, that also on very affordable rates. And in case you do not find those courses good enough for you, then you can opt for any other paid course with higher amount. But I think for most of you, Udemy courses will be helpful enough because personally, I have reaped a lot of benefits from Udemy courses. Okay, now let's talk about the second situation where the learning for you was difficult from the free resources, but you still enjoyed it. So you enjoyed learning the data science ideas and skills. However, learning them from the free resources where you did not have any one-on-one guidance, you found that approach quite difficult for you. In that case, again, your next move should be relying on an affordable Udemy course where you will get a really good and affordable course within the range of 400 to 600 rupees. And still, if you don't find it suitable enough, you can go for a course with higher fees. And now let's also talk about the last situation where you had a lot of difficulties learning the prerequisites, and after learning the concepts, you also did not like it. I mean a situation where you are now feeling like data science or analytics field will not be a correct career option for you. Because obviously it is not suitable for everyone. In that case, you could be someone who is more suitable for marketing, sales, content creation, or maybe any other field. But the point is that you will be able to decide that analytics domain is not a correct career option for you. And what could be better than realizing this thing without spending any money from your pocket? And in this situation, obviously you can understand that you should not be paying for any course, whether it is 4,000 or 40,000. So in a nutshell, your takeaway from this video should be that free resources available on the internet are good enough in order to prepare for data science. In case you did not have an academic background with math, statistics, or programming, you can consider buying affordable courses within a range of 1 or 2,000. But without realizing if data science or analytics will be a correct career option for you, please do not spend a big amount on any paid course. That will be a huge mistake that you can make at the beginning of your career. So please try avoiding doing that. And before closing this video, please do not forget to drop a like below. This will help me a lot to keep on bringing this kind of videos for you. Also subscribe to the channel if you are new here. And thank you very much for watching till the end. You have a nice day ahead.